Hello students, welcome to the Quality Channel Education Program. Under this series, I, Mohit Pandey, TGT, currently working as a bio teacher in a reputed school, would help you to understand the concept of biology. Today in the introductory session, but before that, you need to learn about what is science. The science is an important subject which plays a significant role in the development of mental and creative ability of the students. All the principles involved in the biological system have been explained in the simple language with the help of multicolor diagrams. The question arises, why we need to learn biology? It is just about biological process or dissecting animals, yes, but it is also more than that. Biology is a natural science which deals with the study of life and living organisms. This could be tiger or a snake, mushroom or a microscopic bacteria. It is a wide subject. So let us start dividing the branches. First is taxonomy. Taxonomy is the classification of living organisms, just like birds, mammals, insects. Second, anatomy. Anatomy is the internal structure of an organ, that is plants and animals. Cytology, which deals with the study of cell. Histology, it is the study of tissues. Paleontology, it is the study of fossils. Embryology, that deals with the study of embryo. Genetics, that is related with the study of heredity. And evolution, creation of the new species. So these are the different entities that would develop into offsprings. This channel, Biology in My Pocket, created for those who want good command on this subject. Moreover, it is important for the student to understand the concept in a simple way. Me and my team is here in this platform to support young buddies with the knowledge, with the core knowledge of the chapter as well as their doubt clearing session. So this is from my side. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस चैनल को ग्रो करना है. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें ताकि आपके साथ साथ आपके फ्रेंड्स का भी बेनिफिट हो. तो मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ दोस्तों. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखिए. बाय, टेक केयर.